Meaning of inquire.
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 Inquire. The verb inquire means to seek information or knowledge by asking questions about a particular subject or issue. It can refer to a formal investigation or a simple request for information. Inquiring can be done to gain knowledge or to find a solution to a problem. The process of inquiring involves asking questions, collecting data, and analyzing information. Inquiring can lead to a deeper understanding of a topic and can be beneficial in making informed decisions. It is an essential skill for researchers, journalists, and anyone who seeks knowledge.